So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable app icon badges on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first thing is to just navigate to the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select the option Home Screen. Under Home Screen, you're then going to scroll down until you find app icon badges, then go ahead and tap on it. From here at the top, you should see a toggle that you're going to use to turn this feature on or off. So currently it's enabled, which is why whenever I have any notifications available on my phone, I can see a number icon or the app badge icon showing that that specific app has a notification. However, if I want to disable them, then all I need to do is just tap on the toggle like that to turn it off. And now the notifications are still available for me to read in the notifications menu, but I can no longer see the app icon badges. If I want to restore them, then I can just go ahead and just tap on the toggle and they'll be restored. You'll also see the option of choosing how they appear, whether it's a number or it's a dot, and you can see how it looks like on the home screen if depending on the choice that you make. So it's up to you to decide which customizations you want to add to this specific feature. When you're happy, you can go ahead and close the Settings app and the changes will be applied. And so that's how you can enable or disable the app icon badges on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.